Welcome to Uncle Bird's Barbecue. I'm your favorite uncle, Uncle Bird. In today's video, we're gonna make a homemade brine bucket for under $5. The tools that we'll be using today are a black permanent marker, Post-it notes, a 1-gallon container, and I'm going to use a 5-gallon food safe bucket. Now I recommend using a food safe bucket so that you don't have to buy any bags to brine your meat in. You just have to wash it out with bleach and soap and dry it out. Now if you don't have a food safe bucket, that's okay. Just make sure that you're using brine bags or some of those great big Ziploc bags to hold the meat while you're brining. Now I got this bucket from Walmart. It was $3 and the top was $1.75. Now I left a link in the description if you want to save a trip to the store and just pick one up from Amazon. Now to get started, fill your container to the 1-gallon mark, and you're going to take that water and pour it into your 5-gallon bucket, and we want to give the water a chance to settle. Now you'll use either a cell phone light, a flashlight, and in this case I'm using one of my camera lights to backlight the bucket so that you can easily see where the water line is. Once the water has settled, place the Post-it note on the water line and use the permanent marker to mark the water line. You just do this until you've marked all 5 lines. Now this technique will work if you want to mark quart lines. You just use a quart size container. Now I went back and added numbers as well, and as a final step I also used a knife to etch a line at each level just in case the permanent marker gets rubbed off. Just makes it real easy to go back and re-add the lines. And there you have it. It's a homemade brine bucket. It's cheap and effective. And if you found value in this video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, your Uncle Bert.